Okay, so now we're about to do an in-cab inspection in order to make sure that everything in the cab is functioning properly so that the driver doesn't have any problems with it. Let's see, so we're gonna look at the seats and everything. Even though this is an old truck, it's pretty nice for the most part. Seats have a little bit of wear. The bed back here is a little tore up. So we're gonna go ahead and say that it failed that part of the test. Inspect the floor. The floor's in pretty good condition, so we're not gonna worry about that too much. Inspect glass. Well, as you can see, it's got a pretty decent windshield. None of the windows are broken, so that passes. All the visors work, so that passes inspection. It fails inspection for the step treads because it doesn't have any on this side except for that one, so that fails. Let's make sure that the seat belts work properly like they're supposed to. Both the drivers and the passengers. Inspect the emergency exit. So we're gonna go back here. Come back here to the back. There's a door in here that has a handle that you can open. The emergency exit works, so we're good on that. Come back here and check that off. Driver's seat's good. He does not have any of his safety equipment. Now we'll turn the truck on to make sure that all the dash gauges work, everything's working properly. Seems we have a brake air light on, which means that we need to build up air pressure, so I'll go ahead and turn it on to build that. Yeah. So now that it's turned on, you'll see that our air gauge is going to be building air. The RPMs are working functionally. Voltmeter, engine temp. We're going to mark it off because there's a gauge missing out of the dash here. All of these work, so that's good there. He does not have a fire extinguisher or first aid kit. So basically, the interior inspection of this cab is pretty much good. Most of the stuff is working how it's supposed to be. So we're going to pass him and say that he's okay for DOT.